You're about to make so much money with a free AI tool that I'm going to turn you on to. This can make you tens of thousands of dollars every month. Watch the entire video. I'm going to show you step by step. This is mind blowing, and you probably haven't seen this anywhere else. Check this out. Booyakasha. Cheers. All right. Check this out. This has potential to make you amazing amounts of money. All you need to do is use a little creativity. And I'm going to do a full demo walkthrough. You're going to be amazed at what you see. So what you're looking at is a AI tool that will make an app and launch it for you using just text prompt. So let me give you an example here. Let me type something in the text box and you'll see what goes down. All right, so just as a test, I'm going to create a Bitcoin signal app that will give me clear, concise buy and sell signals. This is an app that I can launch, and I could even sell this on the secondary market. Now, here's what I entered. Create an app that generates clear buy and sell signals for Bitcoin. Buy and sell signal generation should be determined by using the following indicators. A buy signal could be generated when... Now, where I got all of this information, the technicals about what works best for buy and sell signals, I just went on to ChatGPT and I told it to tell me what the most accurate historical buy and sell signals have been, doing back testing for at least 6 years. And I got this simplistic answer. I got a more complicated answer, but this is just the one that I'm going to use for demo purposes here. Volume is increasing. Okay, that's it. Have an easy to read graphic user interface that uses a simple green up arrow when a buy signal is generated and a red down arrow when a sell signal is generated. All right, here's the other thing I'm going to do. I'm going to change this from public access to private because I don't want everybody to have access to my app before I want to release it. So if I want to resell this, if I want to charge people a monthly fee to have access to it, whatever I'm going to do with it, I'm going to make it private so that I can monetize it when I'm ready. Now I'm just going to hit generate and we'll see what happens. So right now it is working on the code and we'll see what it comes up with. I may have to go through 3 or 4 different iterations of this. Now you can see it's actually writing the code. I do not have to know anything. I don't have to hire an expensive developer to make my app. This is just really creating the actual app for me and writing it. So let me just pause and we'll see what happens when it finishes. All right, just to show you, this took about 5 minutes and it automatically named my app Signal Sage Bitcoin trading signals. Now, as you can see here, this is projecting a chart and I can go a day, a week, a month, 3 years. I can choose any time frame. And as you can see right here, it does the analysis. And right now it's telling me there's no clear signal. Now, if there was a signal, it would show either red or blue right at the top right there. And I could also tell it to project an arrow on the chart. So there would be flags right here that would show red down or green to go up, right? So very simple to do. This is really cool. Now, when I first hit the button to make this app, it said it was unable to make the app because there was an error in the coding. So all I had to do was click one button that says resolve the error, and it resolved the error on its own. The AI engine looked at the code, it analyzed the code, and it said, oh, I see where the error is. Let's fix it. So now something I might want to do is, there's no signal history here because I haven't run this app. I haven't published it. If I want to publish it, all I have to do is click on this and publish it. And then I can even attach my own domain name to this. I can rename it whatever I want. So this is really, really powerful. Imagine doing this with stock market. So the stocks, you could do it for the top 20 highest trading stocks on the Dow, and you could actually publish this and charge people to use the tool. Or you could publish it and let people use the tool for free and charge advertisers. You could put an ad rotation banner up here and charge advertisers for advertising space. In fact, let me try that. Let me see if it'll work. All right, I just typed in the prompt to make a couple of advertising banner rotation slots. One on the right side, which will be a skyscraper. I can make this longer. I can make it bigger so that it runs down the, I would have it come down to the bottom of this chart, I think. And then this one up here. And obviously it says click for rates. So this programming is really on point. I don't have to be very smart to make this work. I just have to type what I want. Now, I've also got this going on, no clear signal. When it originally rendered this, this was just plain text and it was hard to see. It was light colored tan text on a white background, so it really didn't stand out. So all I did was type in, put a colorful banner around where it says no clear signal, and make it red for down, green for up, and blue for no action, right? Something like that. I forget what I put, but this is what it did, and it's really good. This really is good for a first effort. Now, another thing I could do is, for example, I could put a membership situation on this. So I could have it put in a login feature. So people would need to have a login password to get access to this tool. There's a million things you can do. You're only limited by your imagination, and this is a money maker. I mean, if you can see what I did just in like 5 minutes, I mean, there's so many ways you can monetize this. You can make your own apps, obviously. You could offer your services on Fiverr as an app maker. It's really, really simple thing to do. There's no skill to it. So I'll put the link to this tool below. And yes, for full transparency, that'll be my affiliate link, I think, I'm not sure. And you don't have to use my affiliate link. It's just kind of a thank you for me turning you on to this thing. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use my link or not, but this has potential to make you guys a lot of money. What will you use it for? Let me know. Cheers.